Hello everyone, my name is Sagar, and in this video we'll see how we can do partial, or how we can split our shipment. So now let's try to understand the scenario first. So what I will do, let me open Notepad here. So assume customer orders 100 product from us, and now let's say we only have 60 available. And so what we'll do a shipment for 60, and we'll do invoicing as well. Then later on, after a week, we'll able to manufacture the rest 40 products. So then we'll send this 40 product in our second. So this is the scenario that we are going to see. Now let's see how we can do the same transaction in system. So first of all, I will create a sales order. I'll simply click on a new sales order. I'm going to select a customer. I'll select this one, and I will click OK here. Now my sales order is populated now, and I'm going to select this particular product, the one which we have created, and here I will specify my site and warehouse. Let us assume I'm going to do transfer this product from site 1, and the warehouse is D365 product warehouse. And let's say I'm going to I'm going to give 100 quantities, like the customer ordered me 100 quantities. Okay, so this all looks good. Now I will confirm the sales order. Go to sell tab here. I can simply confirm my sales order now. Okay, now once my sales order is confirmed, so now what I will do, I will initially provide a shipment of 60 products, 60 items. So what I can do, I can select the deliver now as 60, and I will save it. Now what I will do, I will go to pick and pack. I will generate the picking list, and here instead of all, I'm going to select deliver now. As soon as I select deliver now, you can see my update has been changed to 60. Further, if you see, currently 100 is the deliver reminder, but we are going to provide 60 only. So site, warehouse, all other information. I will say OK, and I will say OK again. And now this is going to generate a picking list for me. Alright, so now I will do registration here. Again, if you see, the picking quantity is 60, it is activated. I'm going to update. Okay, so the update is done, it is completed. I can print all this information. So I will go back. I will come back. Now, what I will do my post packing slip. And here if you see, I'll need to select this as my pick. When I select this as picked, you can see again it's updated here. And here if you see, now it is also showing the correct delivery reminder, because now we are going to do pack. So I'll click OK here, OK again. Okay, now I will save this. So but if you see, like in our previous videos, once we complete this section, these are usually disabled, but this time they are not, because we still have 60 quantities that needs to be delivered. So you see here, delivered is this much. Now currently, remaining is going to be 40. Let me open Notepad. So in the first shipment, we are going to deliver 60, so that's why 60 is here. Now what we'll do invoicing first. So I will click invoice, and again here also how I want to do invoice. I want to do invoicing of my packing slip, so I can choose packing slip here and the data will get updated accordingly. Again, the delivery reminder is 40, update is 60. I will click OK, and now my invoicing will also get generated, so I can send this document to my customer so that the payment can go forward. When I click on this invoice, okay, open this. So you see all this information: 60 quantities, 100 is the unit price, 6,000 is the amount. So I will come back again. Okay, now what we'll do now, we'll see 60 items has been invoiced. Now we'll go with the 41. So now the rest items are 40. So what I can do, I can say here 40. I will save this. I will again go to picking here. Again I will click here, generate picking list. Now I will select deliver now. You see update is 40. Update is 40. Currently, like this is just going to be picked, so that's why this is not going to update. Later on when we'll do packing, it will get 0. Okay, so this is done. Now if you see, this is completely completed, right? All the 100 items, the picking list is generated, so this is disabled now. I'm going to click here, and if you see again, it is automatically giving me the correct information. I can simply update the status and the should change to update. And now let me save this. Now I'll post my packing slip. Okay, and here if you see, now the delivery reminder is 0, update is 40, and here I'm going to, yeah, this is fine, so I'll simply click OK. Now you see all these options are disabled for us. Let's say if someone want to see the history, they can see, okay, they can check the specific version here. This was the, come here. So this is the packing slip IDs, and here are two versions. So we can go to lines and see the exact information. 100 was ordered, initially 60 was delivered, 40 was remaining. But now when let me again go to packing slip. Yeah, now when I go to the second one, let me go to lines. If you see, the ordered left was 40 and the delivered is 40, so remaining and everything is 0. So packing slip, everything is done. Now we'll do invoicing. Click on invoice, and I will select packing slip. And here if you see, all the data is auto populated. I can simply click OK. I'll say OK here. And now these options should also disable invoice. You see, now the complete invoicing is done. So now the options are disabled for us. Further, I can go to invoice, and I can see all the information. The initial invoicing of 6,000. The second one was 4,000. Here's the voucher number. We can see all the transaction history as well. And you click on transaction. So here you can get all the information. I'll come back. Yeah. So this was the complete process how we can do partial, shipment and invoicing in multiple phases for your sales order. Thanks for watching this video.